Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is processing of blood donation camp. Blood is an essential element of human life for which there is no substitute. A single drop of blood can save one's life. The process of blood collection passes through some simple steps. At first, a camp is set up to collect blood from donors. Next, the name of willing donors are enlisted. Then, the health of the donors are checked up under the guidance of some specialist doctors. After that, the donor's blood group is tested for confirmation. Next, the donors are laid on the beds that are arranged in the camp. Thereafter, purified needles are inserted into the vein of the donators. Later, blood is collected and reserved in bottles. Finally, the blood bottles are refrigerated in the blood bank for future use of the needy patients. Thus, the process of blood collection is completed. Thank you for watching. For more new videos, please subscribe my channel.